People tell you all the time what won't work. So you can't listen to what people say and all this. You got to listen to hear, talk to you, and it speaks very loud and clear. Because the type of personality that it takes to be successful is you got to have some thick skin. People going to come at you, they're going to call you crazy, and they're going to laugh at you, they're going to point the finger at you, and everything. That's going to happen. I'm telling you guys that it happened to me, and I'm the owner. You know, what a lot of you don't know, a year and a half ago, I was homeless. Literally homeless. I had to leave, in a sense, homeless in order to do what I needed to do here. I had this dream, and I just did not have the support system that I needed in order to do what I needed to do. I'm not quitting, I'm not going nowhere.
I have a lot of people around me, positive energy, positive speaking, positive believing. You gotta be careful of a man that's gonna tell you what he gonna do, he actually do it. I'm a man of my word. This is the time for it to happen. I feel it, bro. You can't feel the power. What I say, you better take it. You better take it to the bank.